Finding a winning product for Amazon FBA involves thorough research and analysis. Here's a concise guide to help you identify a profitable product. Use product research tools. Utilize tools like Jungle Scout, Helium 10, or AMZ Scout to analyze market trends, sales data, and competition. These tools can provide insights into product demand and profitability. Identify niche markets. Focus on niche markets with high demand and low competition. Look for products with a consistent sales history and fewer reviews, indicating potential for new sellers. Analyze bestsellers. Browse Amazon's bestsellers, movers and shakers, and hot new releases lists to spot trending products. Pay attention to customer reviews and ratings to understand market needs and pain points. Check keywords. Use keyword research tools to find popular search terms related to potential products. High search volume with low competition keywords can indicate a good product opportunity. Evaluate profit margins. Calculate potential profits by considering product costs, Amazon fees, shipping, and other expenses. Aim for products with at least a 30 to 50% profit margin. Assess product viability. Ensure the product is lightweight, durable, and has a low return rate. Avoid restricted categories or products that require complex compliance. Monitor competitors. Analyze competitors' listings, prices, and customer feedback. Look for ways to differentiate your product, such as improving quality, adding features, or offering better customer service.